Want to flush the cache in Hostinger? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Click on Login and enter your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Websites section and open the website you want to work on. Click on Dashboard, and then go to WordPress, and then Overview. Here, scroll down a little, and you'll notice that there's no Flush Cache option. Instead, it shows Lightspeed Recommended, which means you need to install the Lightspeed Cache plugin first. To install the plugin, open your WordPress admin panel in a new tab. Go to Plugins, and then Add New, and search for Lightspeed Cache. Click on Install, and then Activate. Once activated, go back to the Hostinger Overview page and refresh it. Now, scroll down, and you'll see the Lightspeed is turned on and the Flush Cache option is visible. Click on it, and your cache will be cleared instantly. That's how you can flush the cache in Hostinger. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And to get a discount on Hostinger, don't forget to use my affiliate link in the description for an exclusive discount on Hostinger. See you in the next video.